selected credential cannot be found. So I think there's some problem with this credential. Let me check. So go to this configuration and see, I did not select this is the problem, and save it. Now relaunch. Done. See, so this is the way you can add more nodes, and now I have 2 nodes. So like that you can add more nodes, containers also you can run, cloud also you can add it. Lots of processes are there, and did it. Now the question is, how do we assign this job to this node? So for that, go to the job, Jenkins, and here create a job to node. This job I'm creating for just picking out, and here all this thing I'll configure, and there's one option which you should see here. You see, restrict where this project can be run. So click on it. What was the name of the node? I forgot that actually. Linux, yeah. So here Linux, and done. Now this project, I'll build it. This has nothing. Console output. See that? Now if you go here, see, workspace, and node the job is building here. Understood now, all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, looks good, Rajesh.
Yeah. Okay, so now one important thing, and for that we are using Jenkins, is pipeline. What is pipeline? So pipeline basically, whatever you do, okay, whatever you do, uh, but whatever I did actually from last 1 hour, actually manually no one is doing it. So then you'll be thinking, right, Rajesh, why you are teaching them? So actually I'm teaching you so you should learn that platform. But everything we do it nowadays through coding actually. So we have a job. This is a job, compile. Then we had a package job, and then we have a test job. This is a package job and test job. Sorry, opposite way, right? First test and then package. No? So this all jobs we write through coding. Yes, through coding. So here this for we'll write for coding, and this for coding, and this for coding, and for that we create a pipeline. This is integration, okay, and this whole thing is called pipeline. So this is the developer, feed the code to this pipeline, and output of this pipeline is good code or bad code. That is something like a concept, and this whole things pipeline is should be code actually. And this one, mind it please, this one is called stage. This is called also stage. This also called then stage. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. For stage for compile, stage for testing, stage for packaging, and this all stage coming together, and this is called pipeline code. Are you understanding, all of you? All of you?
Yeah.
So how do we write the pipeline? So let me show you. It's very simple. This project which I have used it for the demo, it has a one pipeline code written, and that's called Jenkins file. Here, look at this. Okay, Jenkins file. Now, okay, this is basic one. Go for larger one. This one. So here, look at this very carefully. So this is a whole pipeline. Okay, whole pipeline. And how many stages you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So name of the pipeline is preparation, build, UT, package, results. Now what you are doing inside the pipeline? So this remember that first step which you did, checkout, right? So this is the plugin and this is the URL. Check out the code. And here you are setting up remember that I set up the Maven install location, Maven tool, Maven in the backend, global tool configuration. So here you are setting the global tool configuration, name of the tool, installations. Mine was Maven install or something like that. I forgot that. And here, look at this, if Linux, clean compile, else Windows bat. This is a shell scripting, this is a batch scripting. And run this Maven compile. Again, same concept with unit testing, test, packaging, and here calling the JUnit test cases, and here archiving the packages. Are you understanding, all of you? So what to do now? So go to the Jenkins, manage Jenkins, global tool configuration. I forgot the name of the tools actually. So the tool is Maven-Elites, remember that. So go to the dashboard, create one new item, and this time CI, CD, pipeline, and this is the pipeline. Click OK. And here, all this job you have, and go through that the same option what you had in earlier, but except this one. Here you have to embed the code. So can we do that? Copy this code and it up. And the tool name was Maven-latest, right now. So here, latest. That's all. So whatever I did manually, you are doing through the coding, save and build. So now the code will be written by all of us and it will do the build. So now you see that this stage, you can see the full stage. So this is the pipeline. 1, preparation, build, UT, and so on. Are you understanding, all of you? All of you? Hello?
Yes, Rajesh. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the pipeline code. Now this is the pipeline, and now it's working well. You can see the logs, and automatically you can set a trigger here. Configure. You can set up a trigger somewhere inside here, and when you want that to be triggered, the job, you can do it. Okay, so this is overall a Jenkins which you have to use it and practice it on the day-to-day life, so you'll become a pro in it.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.